I try to clear the 5-stair?
Very windy out. I don't advise you going outside at all.
Hey you guys, we're here today at the old spot. My name is Gabe Cruz. We're joined today with Uzi Dan, the godfather glowboarder, Nigel and Jones, and Mo. We have possibly the dumbest video idea that I've ever had to date. And it's a little sunny out here. I'm not trying to get a sunburn. So I was talking to Nigel and he sent me this GIF. GIF?
It's GIF.
GIF. Leave it in the comments below. He sent me this GIF of a kid on a longboard and he's holding the umbrella out like this and had a backpack leaf blower shooting like this and it was propelling him on his skateboard, and I thought we can do better, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So I went to Lowe's and I bought a $200 backpack leaf blower that shoots 225 miles per hour.
Yes.
And we had Nigel
on, it's nice.
I know, right? It looks comfortable. And we had Nigel build it this morning. You tried it out. How is it?
Works. Little 2cc motor in here. Are we doing this now?
I think first we'll just test it out with just a leaf blower, see if it does anything. And then it's gonna blow up.
It's gonna blow up. That's pretty lame.
That is so much lamer than I thought. Dude, that sucks. Alright, there's gotta be something. Use my body as like leverage.
We tried that at the thing.
Oh!
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Dang it!
I wonder if this is gonna work. It's so hard to hold it. That's the thing. No, try this.
What? Now blow it?
Way, dude!
If you're already moving, it's probably easier.
It's easier?
Yeah, if we're already moving and then do it.
All right, go.
Like do one push.
Oh wait, let me grab the board.
How do you forget your board?
Hold on, I got this. All right. Now just look that way.
Is it on?
I got an idea.
Is it on full
You got
power?
an idea? Beat me up, Scotty! I let it go. It might hit somebody's car.
Catch it.
Wait, hold up. Let's do it over there. Over there? Alright.
This is so upsetting. I thought this was gonna work so
I
well.
really thought it was gonna work.
I don't know. This is very upsetting. It didn't work how I thought it was. This has to work. All right, let's brainstorm here.
Someone should try and do a kickflip while that is blowing at the board and see if you can land it.
Yeah, I mean, regardless of if this works or not, which I think we just busted it, I think we can still have some fun with
What
this
if we
leaf
put
blower.
this on the ground and then put our skateboard on the top of it and then go and try to levitate our board?
I think that someone tries, like what Dan just said, I think is a great idea. Someone is blowing directly at your board. See if you can even ollie it.
You'd be able to ollie, right?
Maybe I mean ollie it.
Hey, I mean, I guess you could say this blows.
The ollie test.
Full power.
Full power. Full power.
We're good.
Kickflip. The blow test. Wow, your mouth. What? No. Just do it once.
I want to try to levitate this.
Alright, you ready?
No.
Alright, let's go.
Open! Hey, Lowe will do it for like a couple seconds. Real quick.
Just take the beat.
All right, go ahead. That was worth the whole video. All right, well, myth busted. It definitely does not work. I think we need at least 10 of these to make it successful.
I think we should order 10.
Wait, I want to see one more thing.
All right, hey,
Wait, before we end it.
if Craftsman or any brand wants to send us 10 of these leaf blowers to conduct our experiment, hit us up. We're ready for you. This video is not over yet. We got to skate or something.
Well, no, I got an idea. Turn it on.
You ready?
Fire, rev it up.
My shield will
My
beat
board
your leaf blower.
for me. Hippie jump is 360 feet. I'm gonna break it right now. Watch this. Should I try to clear the 5-stair? Hey, I broke the world record, has to be.
I don't think that counts.
Yes, it does. That's how they did it.
Hey,
Without a leaf blower.
Are you out of breath, my guy?
Yeah, this thing, I'm running.
Hey, so you blow it down the 5 and then someone else jumps on it at the bottom.
I don't think that counts as a hippie jump,
Yeah.
just saying.
Maybe I had to jump over something. Well, I'll break it right now. That's probably like 600 feet. Longest hippie jump.
exhausted?
Has to be. And I hippie jumped.
You hippie jumped?
That counts. Hey, it goes pretty fast.
It's like hauntingly quiet out here without that leaf blower going on. Look at Mowgli's thinking. He's thinking. What are you thinking, Mogs?
Yo, hey, I should clear out a spot and someone should skate through and not get wet.
I hope the people in there don't get wind of what we're doing.
Dan.
And he thought this was gonna be a breeze.
Hold on. You gotta blow it. We're here today, and the forecast is very, very windy out. I don't advise you going outside at all. I'm gonna ollie off.
Wait, Mowgli, you ollie down it and then someone blow at him the whole time.
I was gonna ollie and then.
Oh, you're gonna wear it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Since Dan didn't want to do it, get backpacked
This
up.
is the day that Mowgli ceases to exist on this planet. Everyone, leave him a nice comment below. Let him know what your favorite Mowgli moment was. The thing is gonna blow up.
I'm gonna ollie and then throw air to the ground. See what happens. You should put it in your shirt, Dan.
Let's put it in your shirt.
Hey, Nigel.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold.
Gas it,
Go.
gas it. There you go.
All right, go.
Let me see this. All right.
Well, let me just show you what Nigel sent me. So you know what I think was happening? Is that he was going downhill. I don't think he's even actually blowing it.
Probably not,
Probably not at all, which is really sad.
but it looks very funny.
But,
It's a good idea.
always wanted to say this. This myth was busted.
You know what we should do next?
Hit up Adam Savage.
See if we can go to a wind tunnel and do it.
Yes. And if any company wants to send us a bunch of really sick looking leaf blowers that we
That
can
would
test
be
it out,
awesome.
that would be amazing. So then we can actually get going like 20 miles per hour on the thing.
What if somebody makes us one to where there's like an umbrella already attached onto that?
I think I'm gonna DM Adam Savage right now. Be
I
like,
still
"We tried
vote
this."
skating in front of a giant fan.
Where do we get a giant fan?
Like one of those big
The industrial.
drum fans.
If you
Yeah.
own,
we had one at Tesla.
if you
They're
own a
only like-
giant fan,
the-
hit us up.
The cooling fans, they're only, you can rent them for like $12 a day.
Yeah, I think we should.
We can rent them.
Let's do it.
Okay.
I'm down. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And like I said before,
Oh, sorry.
if you want to build us a leaf blower setup or send us a bunch of leaf blowers, let us know in the comments
If
below.
you need some leaves blown away from your house, call your boy. Jones's Leaf Blower Services. We're coming to you 2020.
You blow me away. I thought he was actually gonna blow me. I got scared.